Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful princess who loved to use the internet.
Yay, kitty videos!
But alas, her internet service was sluggish.
Oh, it's frozen again?
The princess appealed to the king, who explained they had been cursed with slow service because they had no other choice.
Aha! You'll take what we give you and like it.
Neighboring kingdoms also were plagued with slow internet and poor service.
We just raised the bill. Pay now.
Fast internet where you live?
Can I speak to customer service?
But hark! One day a handsome prince bearing an enchanted satellite dish brought Exede internet to the land.
What is this sorcery? No hocus pocus, sir. Just Exede.
A cheer went up across the land. Yay! Except for the old internet provider.
Boo.
And the princess lived happily ever after.
Grumpy unicorn!
Bring joy to the good people of your kingdom today with Exede high-speed internet.
This video